14.5.
Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Taranis voice pack to play the right values and units. If you've ever experienced the problem of a Taranis playing the wrong words for telemetry values, there's a really simple explanation and an even simpler fix. So here's an example of what I mean. This Taranis is trying to play a value for the current RSSI telemetry value and it's using the wrong units. It's saying minutes instead of dB.
3.0 and 30.285 minutes.
And there's loads of great forum articles and YouTube videos that show how to fix this by selecting the wrong units to fool the radio into using the right voice pack value. But that's only really fixing the symptom and not the real cause of the problem. On this Taranis, the audio is trying to read out the value of VFAS, or the main battery voltage, which is currently 14.3.
14.5.
And you can hear it's saying 14.5, and it's not reading out the units, it should be saying 14.3 volts. The reason this is happening is because the wrong version of the voice pack is installed on the Taranis. As OpenTX moved from version 2.0 to 2.1 and then on to 2.2, the mapping of the voice pack audio to the telemetry values actually changed. So the fix for this is to simply install the correct version of the voice pack for the version of OpenTX that you're running, and it'll all be fine. Fixing this is easy. You just need to install the latest version of the voice pack on the SD card, which is in the back here. And just put it in your PC. So we just need to grab our latest version of the voice pack, which is, in my case, for OpenTX 2.2 voice pack 1.3.1, and we'll just copy all of these and go back to our SD card. And all you need to do is to paste those into the sounds directory, and I'm using English, which is here. Just replace all of those. So there, that's all we've done. We just eject this. So we need to get this SD card back in our radio, which is all pretty straightforward. And if we scroll down to VFAS, press enter, we see again this is 14.3 volts.
14.3 volts.
Perfect. So making sure that you've got the correct version of the voice pack to match your version of OpenTX fixes the problem really simply. If you found that useful and you want updates, please like and subscribe to the channel down here. It really does help me make better content. And if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you next time.